Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering, what the hell does she have on her head? Anyway, my niece told me she wanted to be a fairy for Halloween. So of course she comes to Aunt Gina and says, can you make me something? I think this is a perfect time to do a how-to fairy crown. Can you see that? Fairy crown for Halloween, or a Renaissance festival, or cosplay, or whatever it is that you like to wear a fairy crown to. Anyway, I showed this video to my mother, darling, who is a rip, and she looked at it and said, oh my God, Gina, you really lost it now. You want to make this fairy queen crown for super cheap, $10 or less? Well, you can. Watch this video how to. You will need a glue gun, headband, styrofoam, twigs, moss, silk flowers, raffia, and butterflies. I'm sorry my hands are going a little out of the frame here, but all I'm doing is I'm wrapping the raffia all around the headband until it's filled with raffia. If you have missing spots when you're done, just go back, fill in the spots, hot glue it in. Now, one of the things with putting the raffia all over it, it does take away the little grippies that are on headbands that stick to your head. So depending on your head and how it fits you, you may want to use little bobby pins to keep it in place. Mine happened to work great for me. Before I fixed the flexibility of it, it didn't, and I needed to use bobby pins.
Damage to space.
So I hope you liked the video, and I hope it inspires you to create your own fairy queen crown, whether it's for Halloween or a Renaissance festival or cosplay or just in the privacy of your own home. I hope it definitely inspired you. Now I'm going to tell you some of the mistakes that I made so that you don't make them. 1, if you're going to make this crown, I advise you to put it on a mannequin or a head form, because when you're adding the styrofoam and all these pieces to it, it takes away the flexibility of the headband and it may sit funny on your head, and you don't want that. I put up a photo of the back of my crown because I did make that mistake. I didn't put it on a head form when I did it, and it was no longer flexible. So when I put it on my head, it popped up a little bit and I didn't like the way it looked. So I cut some notches in the styrofoam, which gave it the flexibility that it needed. So now you could put it on a big head, a little head, medium head. So anyway, that was one of the issues that I had with it. So I definitely advise you to put it on a mannequin, a head form, or anything round the size of a head, not too big. I tried it on a bowling ball and it's too big. It's no good, no good, no good. So if you have anything that size, a balloon will never hold it, so don't try the balloon thing. So I hope I've inspired you to create your own fairy queen crown for your next masquerade party. My next video, I'm going to show you how to make a similar crown, but a mermaid crown. That's going to be a lot of fun with seashells and bling. And if you like this video and you want to see more of these videos, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them.